Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you the best way with easy steps on how to extend or shorten your audio file. If you're creating a project and you need to include an audio or background music in it, you may want your audio file to have the same exact duration as your project. But oftentimes this is not the case. So let me show you a simple way to do this. The software that we're going to use to shorten or extend our audio file or track is the Adobe Audition. This software is great for editing music or audio, and you can also use this for voice recording. So let's start by opening our audio file to the Adobe Audition. As you can see, I already have my audio file here. And you can also see the entire track with a duration of 3 minutes. Let's say that the project we're creating has a total duration of 6 minutes. In this case, we want to extend our audio file to another 3 minutes to have the same length of time as our project. We can do this using the remix function inside Adobe Audition. You can find the said function in the Properties panel, then go to the Remix tab. And there, you need to first click Enable Remix for the Adobe Audition to start analyzing our track. Once done processing, we can now extend our track to any desired duration. In our case, we want to extend it by another 3 minutes. So I'll type in 6 minutes and hit enter. And now you can see that our 3 minutes audio track is extended to 6 minutes. Let's hear it between the cut. I can say that the software extended the track very well, that it's hard to notice that it has been remixed. But what if you want to make the track shorter? To do that, simply go to Remix tab again and just type in your desired duration for your track. And just like that, you now know how to extend or shorten your audio track using Adobe Audition. Thank you for watching.